EDAD 616 Professional Reflective Journals, Week 8, Professional Learning Communities. It says, Sir Ken claims most great learning happens in group. Collaboration is the step of growth. I've seen that in PLCs. What are some strategies you use in your fostering professional learning teams and communities? Well, we have weekly PLCs. There's always an agenda. That way, it gets out in advance so people have time to think about it. I like to stick to the agenda and I got to leave on time to get my special boards of therapy, and I know people are busy. So if I see something is going too long as admin, I hold separate, often private meetings for those with special concerns. That way the agenda is still efficient and done on time. I highly believe in using parliamentary procedures so there's order, everyone is heard, and the voting is done fairly with the recording of minutes. I set the norms at every meeting to make sure there is organization. And I always bring food and water. For teachers, we work long hours and we need healthy input to get our brain going after long days at PLCs. We often let a department pick a potluck idea or something that also builds culture, camaraderie, helps us get going. I love at PLC's good news, which is how we start with people sharing good news to set us in a good vibe. Lastly, let's make sure agendas are live documents with linked schedules and minutes. So many meetings and events happen a year, so it's helpful to include all the ideas and notes. I actually like to have 2 secretaries so nothing is missed on the agenda and recordings. Most importantly, I think it's great every meeting to celebrate your staff when they feel appreciated, they'll go above and beyond. How do strategies relate to overall visions? Our school vision this year was to get more training for teachers, to raise our test scores, and have more of a 21st century learning site. We dedicated PLC and time for PD and training. Without a doubt, it has improved our staff skill set and therefore helped our students gain more skills. How do these strategies help ensure student success? Well, we spent hours learning about call meetings and academic talk. Students now have more instructed academic talk about stories and readings. This teamwork really helped to figure out hard text-heavy stories, how to help EL and migrant kids form a community of learners. We no longer have a migrant class, so they now take care of each other by translating, talking, and communicating main points in the stories as learned in the call meetings. The teachers has also talked about a growth mindset to encourage students to not be fixed, but keep working on it until they learn the standard. We also offer free tutoring and let students use notes on tests, for we have so many migrants being in the South Bowl of the world. We've got to help them. Our goal is to help the staff and students reach their fullest success. Last might be a rant, but I think it needs to be said. I petitioned so hard, and everybody I could talk to I did with a respectful, calm manner. For my students with IEPs, or those with trauma or emotional disturbance, they don't do well for state testing. It's really overwhelming to them. They need to go in an alternative setting so the general ed population can think quietly and test for 3-4 hours and actually write a 5-paragraph essay without being bothered. I know that seems simple, but I had to demand the IEPs be met. There had to be emails, there had to be phone calls, there was follow-up meetings. It was a big deal. But let me tell you, the testing went much smoother when all the students got the right test set up, so their scores can go up. They did tell me I was not getting an aid for testing, which I always have an aid, so that was weird. So then I said, well, if I don't have an aid, then the kids with alternative settings have to go with the aid in a special ed room, because I don't have a credential in special ed. I'm just special ed's mom. And at first, my admin didn't like this. It took a lot of preparing and setting it all up and finding the right staff members. But the kids told me today, gracias, thank you, senora, thank you a million times. They were able to access their resources better in a general ed setting and able to get help in their special ed setting. Now, I'm a special needs mom myself. I just want to make sure special kids' needs are met and we follow the IDEA law. Overall, testing went well because we pushed hard on it in PLCs and had protocols and rethought about it and strategized till it went well. And we thought about all the strategies and test preparation and got prepared, so it paid off for proficiency and progress in our students.